Good morning 9th standard. This is English class. In the last video, I taught you of the story of the envious neighbor. Now I am going to narrate second half of the story. Before goes to the story, we can recall the story. Once there lived an honest man with his wife. They had a pet dog. Whenever or wherever the old man went to the garden, the dog also went with them. One day, the dog barked at a place in the garden. The old man thought that there must be something to eat. So, he began to dig the ground. There, full of gold and silver pieces. Using the treasure, he bought rice field and corn fields. They became very rich. There, another one couple lived in the neighbor house of an honest old man. They are wicked couple. They were wicked couple. After hearing the incident, what had happened to the honest old man, the wicked couple got the dog from them and went to the garden and asked the dog to bark at the treasure place. But the dog did not do anything. So, in anger, they killed the dog and buried under pine tree. The next day, the good old man asked the wicked man about his dog. He said that he killed and buried the dog at the root of pine tree. So the good old man went to the place where the dog buried. He decorated the grave with flowers and shed tears on it. On the day night, the dog appeared to his dream and said everything. The dog said that I was buried under a pine tree, so you cut the tree and made into mortar and use it. The old man did as the dog had told him. When he ground his rice in it, each grain turned into the gold treasure. Till that, I explained you in the last video. Now, let's continue. When the wicked old couple saw this, they came to borrow the mortar. After hearing this, the wicked old couple came to honest man home and borrowed the mortar. But no sooner did they try to use it, all their rice turned into filth. Filth means dirty. When the wicked couple tried the same the old man did, here all their rice turned into filth. Not came any gold. So, in a fit of rage, in anger, they broke the mortar and burnt it. The old wicked couple broke the mortar and burnt it. Burnt it means fire it. But the good old man, little suspecting means without any doubt, that his precious mortar, precious means very valuable mortar, had been broken and burnt, wondered why his neighbors did not bring it back to him. Without knowing anything, the good old man, wondered at his neighbor why he did not bring it back to him like that he wanted. He did not have any doubt on his neighbor. One night, the dog appeared to him again in a dream. And told him what had happened to the dog. What had happened to the mortar. Adding that if he would take the ashes of burnt mortar and sprinkle them on withered trees. Sprinkle means scatter. Withered trees, dried trees. The dog told him, if the good old man take the ashes of the burnt mortar and scatter it on withered trees, the trees would revive. Revive means bring back to life. Again, the dry tree will give buds and flowers. And suddenly put out flowers. Suddenly gives flowers. How? When the good old man scattered the ashes on withered trees, it would give flowers. Like that, the dog appeared in his dream and said him. After After saying this, the dream vanished. Vanished means disappeared. And the old man who heard for the first time of the loss of his mortar. Now only the good old man thought he loss of his mortar. Till that he did not know what happened to his mortar. Now only he came to know what happened to his mortar. Ran out weeping to the neighbor's house. Ran out weeping. Weeping means with crying. He ran out to his neighbor's house and begged them, at any rate, to give him back the ashes of his treasure. Whatever happened, that is no problem, but please you give the ashes of his treasure. Treasure means here mortar. He asked the neighbor ashes of mortar. Having obtained it, obtained means received. After received ashes from his neighborhood, he returned home and made a trial of their virtues upon a withered cherry tree. Now he made a trial. How? He scattered the ashes on withered. Withered means I already told you dried cherry tree, which upon being touched by the ashes immediately began to sprout and blossom. The tree, withered tree, began to sprout. Sprout means what? To grow new leaves and blossom. When he saw this wonderful effect, he put the ashes into a basket. After the trial, he put the ashes into the basket and went about the country. After reached the country, announcing himself, what he announced as an old man who had the power of bringing dead trees to life again. After the trial, the good old man went to the country town. There only prince was living. There he announced himself as an old man who had the power of bringing dead trees to life again. A certain prince hearing of this, in the town, prince heard his announcement and thinking it a mighty strange thing. Prince thought it might a strange thing, sent for the old fellow. Old fellow means the old, honest old man. He sent a man to call the old man, who showed his power by causing all the withered plum and cherry trees to shoot out and put forth flowers. He called the old man and asked him to show his power. What is his power? He has to make the withered trees into bring into shoot out and put forth flowers. The old man should bring the withered trees into shoot out and put forth flowers. So the prince gave him a rich reward of pieces of silken cloth and other presents and sent him home rejoicing. Old man made the withered tree into shoot out and put forth flowers. So the prince gave him a reward of pieces of silk and cloth and other present and sent him home rejoicing. Rejoicing means happily.